Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Luxe Bidet. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering if they should get the Luxe Bidet, which is this one right here. This is the 185 Plus series, and so I'll show you how to use this. Now first you have to understand how the bidet works. It simply plugs or connects to the water line, and then it actually has a nozzle right there which shoots water once you twist these knobs. So if I go ahead and sit down on this toilet, you'll see that there's two simple knobs, okay? So this one here is basically the pressure knob. So right now it's turned off, but if you twist it, it's going to turn on. And then the more you twist it clockwise, the stronger the pressure is going to be. Over here, you have like an adjustment as far as like how is this spray going to work. Do you want it to be a jet stream? Do you want it to be like a nice soft spray? Do you want it to be a feminine spray? So there's only two nozzles that you need to worry about as far as using the Luxe Bidet goes. It's really not that complicated. So in order to use it, all you do is sit down, twist this knob here, and if needed, you can go ahead and adjust your seating to where it points to the correct area. But that is essentially how to use the Luxe Bidet. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use it, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.